Introducing the Giraffe Tools Retractable Garden Hose Reel, a convenient and durable solution for your garden needs. This hose reel comes with an automatic rewind feature, which smoothly retracts the hose back into place with just a gentle tug, preventing kinks and tangles. The hose reel can swivel 180 degrees, allowing for easy reach around your garden or yard. It includes a high-quality, weather-resistant hose and an adjustable nozzle with multiple spray patterns for different tasks. Designed to mount securely on walls, this reel is perfect for keeping your garden organized and making watering tasks a breeze. The SuperHandy Wood Chipper is a powerful, portable tool designed to make wood chipping easier and more efficient for homeowners, landscapers, and gardeners. With a 7 HP gas-powered engine, it's capable of shredding and mulching branches up to 3 inches in diameter. The engine operates at 3,600 RPM, providing high-speed chipping power for a clean, consistent output. Its unique 3-in-1 design allows for multiple functions. You can chip, shred, and mulch, helping turn yard debris into useful, nutrient-rich mulch for gardens and flower beds. This model also features 2 hopper feeds, one for larger branches and another for smaller twigs and leaves, streamlining your workload. Built with a compact, rugged steel body and large 7-inch wheels, it's easy to maneuver across various terrains, making it perfect for tackling larger properties. The safety shutoff feature and overload protection ensure safe operation, while the low oil sensor adds an extra layer of reliability. Ideal for small to medium-scale projects, the SuperHandy Wood Chipper is a cost-effective, eco-friendly choice for transforming yard waste into usable compost or mulch. Plus, it meets EPA and CARB standards, so it's safe to use in any area with strict emission standards. The PopUp Garden Top Vertical Planter is a compact and innovative gardening solution designed to bring greenery into small spaces. Ideal for urban living, it features a modular, stackable design that allows you to grow multiple plants vertically, maximizing limited areas like balconies, patios, or small yards. Each level has individual planters that can hold a variety of herbs, flowers, or small vegetables, letting you customize the layout to fit your gardening needs. It's made from weather-resistant materials, ensuring durability and longevity outdoors. The planter is also equipped with a built-in drainage system, helping to maintain the ideal moisture levels for healthy plant growth without the risk of overwatering. This vertical garden is easy to assemble and requires minimal maintenance, making it perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. With the PopUp Garden Top Vertical Planter, you can create a lush, green space anywhere, adding beauty, freshness, and a touch of nature to your environment. The Aero Broom Brush is a highly efficient cleaning tool, designed to tackle both indoor and outdoor surfaces. With its lightweight, ergonomic design, this brush allows for easy maneuverability, making it ideal for cleaning various surfaces from floors to patios. Its bristles are engineered to capture fine dust and debris without scattering, providing a thorough clean in fewer strokes. The Aero Broom Brush features a flexible head that adjusts to the surface, giving you maximum reach in hard-to-clean areas. Additionally, the durable bristles are designed to withstand frequent use, while the handle is crafted from a non-slip material, ensuring a comfortable grip even during extended cleaning sessions. Easy to store and maintain, the Aero Broom Brush is not only practical but also built to last. Whether you're sweeping up dirt, leaves, or indoor dust, this versatile tool promises an effortless cleaning experience every time. Introducing Buta Landscape Edging, the ultimate solution to enhance and define your outdoor spaces. With a focus on durability, ease of use, and sleek design, Buta Edging helps you create neat and professional-looking borders around gardens, flower beds, walkways, and driveways. Made from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, Buta Edging stands up to the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance season after season. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. The flexible material adapts easily to both straight lines and curves, making it ideal for almost any landscape design. The modular design lets you customize the edging length to fit your specific space, while the anchoring system keeps it securely in place without needing additional tools or concrete. Once installed, Buta's subtle yet stylish look complements any outdoor aesthetic, enhancing curb appeal and making lawn maintenance easier. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a DIY enthusiast, Buda Landscape Edging offers a smart, effective, and elegant solution to elevate your outdoor spaces. Transform your landscape with Buda, where functionality meets design. Introducing the Gardina Aqua Brush, a versatile cleaning tool designed to make outdoor cleaning easier and more efficient. This innovative brush is ideal for tackling tough dirt on outdoor surfaces like patios, garden furniture, and even vehicles. The Aqua Brush connects directly to your garden hose, using water pressure to powerfully wash away grime while you scrub. It features soft yet durable bristles that ensure a thorough clean without scratching delicate surfaces. The built-in flow control allows you to adjust the water intensity, providing optimal cleaning power without wasting water. Additionally, the Aqua Brush has an ergonomic handle for comfortable use during longer cleaning sessions. The handle includes a lock feature, so you can keep the water running continuously without holding down a trigger. It's compatible with Gardina's wide range of accessories, allowing you to customize your cleaning routine with attachments like a shampoo or wax dispenser for an even deeper clean. Whether you're refreshing your patio for summer or washing down garden tools, the Gardina Aqua Brush makes cleaning simple, effective, and environmentally friendly. The Ryobi 3-in-1 trimmer, mower, and edger is a powerful, versatile tool for yard maintenance. This cordless device uses a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, delivering extended runtime to handle small to medium lawns without the mess or limitations of gas and cords. It functions as a trimmer with a pivoting head, making it easy to reach tight spaces and perfect for shaping around flower beds and fences. Switch to mower mode, and it becomes a compact lawnmower, ideal for maintaining small patches of grass and hard-to-reach spots where traditional mowers can't fit. Finally, in edger mode, the Ryobi allows for precise, clean edges along sidewalks, driveways, and garden borders. Its lightweight build and easy maneuverability make yard work comfortable and efficient, while Ryobi's robust design ensures durability. This 3-in-1 solution is perfect for anyone looking for an all-in-one, eco-friendly tool to keep their lawn looking sharp and well-kept. The Infaco Contactless Safety System, or DSES Wireless, is an advanced safety technology designed for electric pruning shears, particularly suited for professional pruning work in vineyards, orchards, and similar environments. This system's main purpose is to prevent accidental cuts and injuries, especially to hands and fingers, which are most vulnerable during pruning tasks. This safety system is built with a contactless sensor that detects the presence of the operator's hand or any other part of the body near the pruning blade. When the system identifies a potential risk, it automatically shuts down the blade within milliseconds. This rapid response drastically reduces the chance of injury, giving workers more confidence and control over the pruning process. The contactless safety system is highly reliable due to its wireless design, ensuring no physical cables connect the sensor to the main pruning tool, which keeps the setup flexible and reduces any interference with movements. This feature is especially valuable for professionals who need to move around and shift their hands constantly during work. To activate the system, the operator wears a specialized glove equipped with conductive fibers. The fibers are detected by the sensor, creating an invisible safety barrier. In the event of accidental contact, the sensor immediately stops the blade. The Infaco DSES system is customizable, meaning it can adapt to different pruning tasks or operator preferences, offering a balance of safety and efficiency. By integrating cutting-edge technology with user-friendly operation, Infaco's contactless safety system is a game-changer for injury prevention in professional pruning. Introducing the Flame King Weed Burner, the ultimate tool for tackling weeds, brush, and more around your property. Designed with both power and ease of use in mind, this torch is perfect for anyone looking to maintain their outdoor spaces with efficiency. The Flame King Weed Burner features a high-output 500,000 BTU torch that delivers serious heat, allowing you to clear weeds and debris effortlessly. It connects to standard propane tanks, so you'll never run out of fuel in the middle of a project. Just detach it, turn on the gas, and light up. Safety and control are at the core of its design, equipped with a durable handle and an easy-to-use on-off valve. With its extended reach, you can stay at a safe distance from the flame while covering large areas quickly. This torch isn't just for weeds. Use it to melt snow, remove paint, or even start a campfire. The Flame King Weed Burner is a multi-purpose tool that combines power and convenience, making it an essential addition to any homeowner's toolkit. Transform your outdoor maintenance with the reliable, powerful Flame King Weed Burner. Introducing the Water Ring by H2OIs, a sleek, revolutionary water purification device designed to seamlessly fit into your everyday life. This compact, stylish ring combines advanced filtration technology with wearable convenience, ensuring pure, refreshing water is always within reach. The Water Ring utilizes state-of-the-art nanotechnology to purify water at the molecular level. With each sip, contaminants like bacteria, heavy metals, and microplastics are effectively filtered out, while essential minerals are retained, delivering crisp and clean hydration every time. Made from durable, hypoallergenic materials, the Water Ring is built for comfort and longevity. Simply attach it to any water source, like a bottle or glass, and let it work its magic. Within seconds, the ring activates, transforming regular tap water into high-quality, drinkable water, perfect for travelers, hikers, and anyone on the go. One of the most impressive features is its rechargeable power system, which ensures eco-friendly operation without the need for disposable batteries. Plus, the ring's low-profile design means it can be worn discreetly or stored easily in your bag or pocket. With H2OI's commitment to sustainable hydration, the Water Ring is more than a gadget. It's a movement toward reducing plastic waste. By providing clean water wherever you are, it allows you to skip single-use bottles and contribute to a greener future. Upgrade your hydration game with the Water Ring by H2OIs, Hydration Redefined. Perfect for those who value health, convenience, and the planet.